Prepare your new home for pests before you move in to avoid surprises and long-term damage. Start by scheduling a professional inspection for termites, rodents, and common insects at least 2 weeks before closing or move-in. When booking, request a written scope that lists inspected areas, such as crawl spaces, attics, basements, exterior foundations, roof lines, and shared walls, so nothing is missed. Ask the inspector to recommend preventive treatments like preemptive baiting, localized barrier treatments, or residual sprays, and get timelines for when those treatments should be applied relative to your move. Seal likely entry points yourself as a companion step using caulk, door sweeps, and mesh over vents to cut off pest pathways before boxes arrive. Set non-chemical traps for rodents and glue traps for monitoring in discrete locations to detect activity early and reduce initial populations without heavy chemical use. Keep a dated record of inspection reports, treatment invoices, and any follow-up recommendations so you and future owners have a clear maintenance history. 3 common issues are missed: infestations behind walls, untreated exterior entry points, and assuming a visual check is enough. If pests are hidden in wall voids or insulation, insist on targeted probing, moisture assessments, or camera inspection, and get a written follow-up plan. For exterior entry points, walk the perimeter with a flashlight at night, seal gaps larger than 1/4 inch, and install door sweeps and screen repairs where needed. If someone only does a quick visual, rely on a full written report and ask for clarifications or additional inspections, rather than accepting verbal reassurance. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and pest professionals, and helps contractors connect with nearby work relevant to inspections and treatments. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share experiences, ask questions, and compare practical tips.